Hello viewers, welcome to NTSC SSC exam preparation presented by DVZLN. Social Studies Bit Bank Multiple Choice Questions SAT 15th video. Class 10 Chapter 5 Indian Rivers and Water Resources Part 2. Question number 1. The Tungabhadra is a tributary of the larger river system of Dash. Correct answer Krishna. Question number 2. The Tungabhadra is not shared by this southern state. Correct answer Tamil Nadu. Question number 3. The mining of Dash ore at Kudremukh caused soil erosion and siltation of Tungabhadra reservoir. Correct answer iron. Question number 4. The mining of Dash ore in Sandur had seriously affected the stability of the catchments of Tungabhadra. Correct answer manganese. Question number 5. The major crop that does not demand a lot of water is. Correct answer cotton. Question number 6. In Tungabhadra basin, many public protests were held against industries in 1984 regarding discharge of Dash that killed fish on a large scale. Correct answer molasses. Question number 7. What is a Dash resource and its storage or use upstream affects what is available to people downstream? Correct answer flow resource. Question number 8. One of the different conflicts in the use of water for Tungabhadra river basin is. Correct answer all the above. Interstate disputes on sharing, cultivation of crops that demand a lot of water, pollution by industrial units. Question number 9. Hiware Bazar was selected under the Dash of Maharashtra government for watershed and all-round development of the village. Correct answer Adarsh Gram Yojana. Question number 10. In Hiware Bazar, continuous contour trenches CCTs were dug on the hill slopes too. Correct answer all the above. Arrest the erosion of soil, harvest water, encourage growth of grass. Question number 11. Most important preconditions set for selection of villages under Adarsh Grama Yojana is or are. Correct answer all the above. Ban on felling trees and free grazing, family planning, ban on liquor. Question number 12. Match the following. Correct answer 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Kurhat Bandi, ban on felling trees. Charai Bandi, ban on free grazing. Nas Bandi, family planning. Nasha Bandi, ban on liquor. According to current laws on underground water, Underground system was assumed to be owned by dash. Correct answer, the landowner. Question number 14. The other bands in Hiware Bazaar which were added later. Correct answer, all the above. On borewells for irrigation, on growing sugarcane and banana, on selling one's land to any outsider. Question number 15. The example for a public property, the collective pool resource that is meant for all people are. Correct answer, 1, 2, 3, 4. Roads, rivers, parks and underground water. Question number 16. Dash water is the first priority as well as a human right. Correct answer, drinking water. Question number 17. The improvement in Hiware Bazaar after implementing Adarsh Gram Yojana is. Correct answer, all the above. Summer irrigation area increased, enough water in wells to irrigate rabi crops also, migration of people decreased. Question number 18. There had been a dispute pending in Supreme Court of India over groundwater use between the Dash Gram Panchayat in Kerala and the Coca-Cola company. Correct answer, Perumatti. Question number 19. The most important 4 bandis or bands were made famous by the Dash experience in Adarsh Gram Yojana. Correct answer, Ralegaon Siddhi. Question number 20. Hiware Bazaar is located in Dash district in Maharashtra. Correct answer, Ahmednagar. Thanks for watching.